Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based industrial fault monitoring system using sensors. We are using total 5 sensors: LM35 temperature sensor, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, and one fire sensor, LDR sensor, PIR sensor. If temperature crossed 45 and above, then according to the fan should be on. MQ2 gas sensor detected, alarm should be on. Gas detected, LED on. Fire detected, alarm on, as well as LED should be on. LDR depend upon the light, sunlight, for 1.5 volts below, light on, 1.5 above, light off. Okay, so 0 to 9 volts adapter power source convert to 5 volts pure DC output. Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board, GSM SIM 900 GPRS modem we are using, 16 cross 2 LC display, RS enabled, D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13 GPIO pin numbers, A0 A1 A2 A3 A4 sensors, and outputs are the 2 3 4 5 6 7 pin numbers. And we are getting the fire alert, over temperature alert, gas alert, PIR alert. LDR there is no alert. So all sensors have temperature alert, smoke alert, PIR alert, fire alert. And as well as we are getting the email alerts also. So our own web page is IoT based industrial fault monitoring system. Okay, so I given the credential to you: temperature sensor data, smoke sensor data, LDR sensor data, fire sensor data, PIR. Okay, just now for PIR, so if you click it, it will show you the data. PIR sensor, fire sensor detected, human detected, okay, temperature detected, okay, so over temperature. And go to updates. So one by one, all smoke alert, gas alert, fire alert, everything it came. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it goes to here power supply GSM module only. So here GSM SIM 900, press down, the SIM card will come outside. So GSM SIM 900, you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Okay, slowly insert the SIM card into the slot. Okay, slowly insert the SIM card and lock the SIM card. Okay, upside is lock, downside is unlock. Okay, lock, downside unlock. Okay, GSM SIM 900 for SMS alert, call sending the data to server, GSM SIM 900. So here we are using bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. Okay, so relay relay on, fire alert, PIR alert, LDR alert, and smoke alert. So four relay coils for four sensors, five sensors. Okay, temperature there is no relay, only fan should be on. So Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board. Okay, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Temperature sensor connected to the A0, smoke sensor connected to the A1, fire sensor connected to the A2, LDR sensor connected to the A3, PIR sensor connected to the A4. Okay, so temperature fan on, smoke, so this LED on, fire LED on, alarm on, LDR, this LED should be on, PIR and PIR LED on. Okay, let's start with the power supply. Okay, so industrial IoT sensors. So IoT based industrial fault monitoring system using Arduino. Okay, industrial fault monitoring system using Arduino GPRS modem. So here I am using Idea 2G 3G SIM card I am using. Okay, GPRS settings, GPRS came, GPRS enabled, HTTP on, hypertext transfer protocol. So we can monitoring one by one. All the lights should be off. Okay, T for temperature, S for smoke, L for LDR, F for fire. Okay, and PIR. So A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 analog sensor inputs. Okay, so now I'm going to give the input of fire sensor. Fire equal to yes. Okay, fire sensor detected. So fire sensor detected. So we can see the data sending, sent completed. So now it is sending the data to server. So alarm on as well as fire LED on. Okay, so fire detected, alarm on, LED on, sending SMS 1, fire equal to yes. Okay, so here fire alert detected, so it will also, we will, yeah, human detected and fire detected, fire detected. Okay, so now I'm going to increase the temperature also. SMS sending. No fire. Temperature 45 and above. 46. Okay, sending the data to server. Okay, send completed. Sent. Okay, action. Sent. Okay, yeah, temperature 46. Okay, and we will get the SMS alert, and we will get the email alert also. Yeah, high temperature alert. Email came, high temperature alert 46 degree. Okay, yeah, here we will get SMS alert, sending SMS 1, SMS sent, over temperature alert, SMS came. Okay, so now I will go for the gas alert. Okay, gas came. Okay, gas will be detected. Gas 220 above, 200 above gas. Okay, yeah, gas according to the LED should be on, so you need to give continuous gas. Okay, gas LED. Okay, gas detected according to the representation, LED should be on. So temperature output came, gas output came, PIR. So LDR should be dark, according to the light should be on. Okay, so now we will go to the web page. Yeah, 220. Okay, so email alert, so you can refresh. Yeah, email alert should come. Okay, back. Okay, sending to SMS 1. Okay, sending SMS 2. Okay, yeah, smoke alert. We can check spam folder also. Okay, so if LDR should be dark, LDR dark, according to the light should be on. PIR detected. Yeah, sending every 10 counts, it will send the data to server. Previous value should be updated here. Okay, so here industrial IIOT sensor, temperature sensor, smoke sensor, fire sensor, LDR sensor. Okay, now PIR sensor. PIR detected. Yeah, PIR detected. Yes. Okay, PIR detected. Yes. Okay, every 3 counts it will check, continuous 3 counts. Now it will send the data to server. Sending data to server, web page. Send completed. 442, 242, time 242. Okay, so here human detected. Okay, time is human detected. Human detected, fire detected, temperature. Okay, GPRS modem. Okay, now we will go for the SMS alert. Okay, yeah, PIR alert, fire sensor alert, PIR sensor alert, LDR alert. Okay, if LDR should be open, sunlight detected, according to the light should be off. Yeah, PIR also off. GPRS modem. These are the relay indicators. 5 volts power supply, one power supply for the Arduino LCD, and other power supply for the, these are all the sensors for the other power supply purpose. Okay, 2 power supply board, one for Arduino board LCD, other power supply for this all sensor purposes. Okay, and relay purpose, sensors and relay. Thank you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded. Okay, thank you.